Hi guys, welcome to our video lecture series of Laplace Transforms. Hope you are enjoying the video lecture series because there is no long lessons, no long lectures, just simple concepts and problem solving techniques. So today we'll continue our video lecture series on unit step Heaviside function. So we will take an example. Let's say the question is giving that function of t is equals to t multiplied by e raised to the power t minus 5 multiplied by Heaviside, or unit step is same thing, so h of t minus 5 or u of t minus 5. Don't get confused by these terms, so they are same things. Now we'll continue our lesson, and let's say that now this function t is multiplied by this function here. So in our previous lessons we saw that when a function is multiplied by t f of t, so the Laplace transform of that function is just equals to here t to the power n, so negative 1 to the power n d n over d s n multiplied by the function of s. So this function of s we can get from this function. So now let us consider that g of t is equals to e to the power t minus 5 multiplied by a Heaviside function of t minus 5. Now what we will do here that the Laplace transform of Heaviside function is just equals to e raised to the power negative as multiplied by function of s. So this function of s we can get from this function, and a in this case is 5, so a is equals to 5. Now first of all we will take the Laplace transform of this function, so we'll treat e to the power negative e to the power t minus 5 as e to the power t. So we know that the Laplace transform of e to the power t is just s minus 1. Now we will proceed to next step, and we will see that how to take the Laplace transform of the unit step function, this unit step function. So now move to next step. So we found it f of s as 1 over s minus 1. So Laplace transform e to the power t minus 5 multiplied by Heaviside of t minus 5 is just equal to e to the power negative 5s divided by s minus 1, and a is 5. We already talked about that. So now we have found this, so the next step is we have to find the Laplace transform of e to the power t minus 5 Heaviside of t minus 5. Now we can find just by taking the derivative of this function, because we already have talked about that when a function is multiplied by t, so the Laplace transform is just the derivative of f of s. So now we'll take the derivative, and this negative 1 will be outside, s minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of e raised to the power negative 5s minus e to the power negative 5s into the derivative of s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole squared. So now what we will get is minus 5s e raised to the power negative 5s plus 5 e to the power negative 5s minus e to the power negative 5s divided by s minus 1 whole squared. Now this 5 minus 1 will be 4. So this will be negative 1 multiplied by negative 5 s e to the power negative 5s plus 4 e to the power negative 5s divided by s minus 1 whole squared. Now we will multiply negative 1 into the bracket, then we will get 5s e to the power negative 5s minus 4 e to the power negative 5s divided by s minus 1 whole squared. So the Laplace transform of t e raised to the power t minus 5 into Heaviside function of t minus 5 is nothing but equal to 5s e raised to the power 5s minus 4 e raised to the power 5s divided by s minus 1 whole squared. Thank you for watching our video lectures. We'll meet soon.